Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cook a typical Filipino dinner. Today I cooked the Ginataang kalabasa or squash cooked with coconut oil with shrimp and deep fried fish with tons of garlic. Here are the ingredients of the two dishes that I'm going to cook for our family's dinner. So for the fried fish with garlic, of course garlic, I use like a lot of garlic. And fish, this time I use the dorade. It's the only available fish in the supermarket, but it's also a good one. You can use whatever you like. Also, you can use tilapia, red tilapia, black tilapia, or lapu-lapu. And then for the ginataang squash with shrimp, we need tomato, garlic, lemongrass, onion, ginger for sauteing the shrimp. And then we need the squash, of course, a little bit of beans, and spring onions, spinach, salt. I don't have fresh cocoa milk, so I use the coconut milk, pepper. That's all. And of course oil. For the fish, earlier, like an hour ago, I season it with salt, a little bit of salt only. Do not over put salt in it. And before frying, I like to add a little bit of flour so that it will be more crispy. So the flour is actually optional, huh? Just set it aside so it will look like this, the fish with flour. So first thing to do with the fish, the fried fish, I'm going to put in the garlic. So you need a generous amount of oil because we will be using the same pan for frying the fish, okay? So you just cook the garlic there. So now we can start with the ginataan. First you saute all of this, the garlic, ginger, onions, and lemongrass. You can put the tomato later. Actually, this dish is so easy, and it's you can pre-slice the vegetables so that when you start cooking, it will only take you 30 minutes to finish like these two dishes. Okay, taste a bit. When the garlic is already crispy and golden brown, you can get the garlic out from the oil. So now that the onion is a little bit cooked, you can add the shrimp. Just saute it until the shrimp turns pinkish or red. Okay. Lower it a bit. And the garlic is cooked. So get the garlic out from the oil. Smells good. So you set it aside. Now you can fry the fish. Okay. Put it in medium heat. And now you can add a little bit of bouillon, just a teaspoon, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste depending on your preference. Pepper. Mix a little bit. Now you can add the squash. Mix it a bit. And now you can add a little bit of water, maybe 1 cup of water, and let it simmer until the squash will be cooked. Okay, we will leave it there for a moment. Cover it. So now the fish is still cooking. So now the squash is boiling. You try to taste it. Tastes good. I will add a little bit of salt and a little bit of bouillon. So you just have to wait until the squash is almost done before we add the beans. Now you can add the beans to the squash. Okay. Yummy. Let it simmer until the bean is almost done. And I think our fish is perfectly brown. Yeah. You drain it on the paper towel. Looking good. Now you can add the coconut milk when the beans are almost done. Because if you overcook coconut milk, it will curdle or it will break. Now mix it a bit. And let it boil for like 3 to 5 minutes. And we're almost there. For flavoring, I like adding a little bit of fish sauce or shrimp paste. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Wiggle it. Okay. Let's give it a try. Yummy. A little bit of shrimp sauce. Fish sauce, I mean. At this point, you can add, if you're in the Philippines, I would prefer you add alugbati or kangkong. But here in Switzerland, we don't have that, so I use spinach, baby spinach. It's very healthy. And then the spring onions also on top. Okay. Cover it for another 2 minutes and then you mix it and we're almost done. Okay, now you can mix the Ginataan slowly. It's looking good. Okay, it's already cooked, so we're ready. Okay, I will make a plating now. So there you go. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and if you want us to cook something special, please comment in the comment box below for the recipe. It's also here. Enjoy! I'm hungry. Olivia, what do you like? Here's your dinner. What's this about? What's that?
What's that?
Okay, you try it. Is it yummy? What is this? Oh, okay, put it there. Okay, what is that?
What's that? Cheese.